Maybe you've already seen the Signal multi-tool or you already have one, but you haven't explored all the features. Today, I'm going to take a deep dive into this best-selling multi-tool, show you all the tools in detail, and ultimately maximize the usefulness of your Signal for your next camping trip or outdoor adventure. This year marks the 10th anniversary of the Signal, and since its launch, this multi-tool has remained relatively unchanged. We can give our product designers and engineers a quick round of applause because they really nailed it with this one. For today, we'll cover all the other tools so you really get a sense of what you and the Signal are capable of. Let's start on the outside of the Signal. You have a hammer on this end. That's great for securing anchor points for tarps and rain flies or loosening stubborn gear. There's a lock located here to keep the tool closed while in use. Next to the hammer, you have a bottle opener, along with the carabiner. This is great when you're storing your Signal in a tent or on a bag. Just make sure you use the lock. There are also a couple of features built into this end, including a 3/16 and 1/4 inch box wrench and a standard 1/4 inch bit driver. Perfect for adding additional torque or if you need to reach into awkward places. A few more important features on the outside include a saw for clearing brush or gathering kindling. There's a straight edge that's great for slicing and food prep, and a serrated edge that's nice for cutting rope and other materials. There's a diamond-coated sharpener that works well for sharpening your knife or cutting tools when the outdoors. Its design also allows for sharpening serrated edges. One last feature here is the pocket clip that allows you to keep your tool within arm's reach. Now let's see what's inside. When you open the Signal, the main set of tools are the needle nose and regular pliers. The needle nose pliers are great for fine work like crimping barbs or pulling out pin bones from your fillet. The regular pliers help adjust or tighten gear, as well as pulling hot items off the fire. There are also regular and hard wire cutters made from premium steel. Use the regular cutters for things like zip ties and softer wire. Then for hardened things like fish hooks or heavier gauge wire, you want to use the hard wire cutter. These cutters can also be removed for sharpening, or if they get damaged, you can replace them. Other tools on the inside include a large bit driver. This holds our Leatherman flat bits, and when you pair this with our bit kit, you can really customize your tool for the activity you're doing. For example, if you're into mountain biking, you can store an Allen key in your tool for quick adjustments on the trail. We also have other accessories that work with the bit driver that expand the capabilities of the Signal. There's also a can opener that's really easy to use. You'll want to make sure you latch on with a point, then move clockwise around the lid to avoid making sharp edges. Next is the awl. The multi-use awl is good for emergency repairs on heavy-duty canvas tents, piercing leather, or maybe you find yourself needing to ream a hole out of wood. This will help. Last but not least is the ferro rod and the whistle. These are the tools on the Signal that make it like no other multi-tool on the market. To remove it, slide the gate over and the fire starter will pop out. On this end is an emergency whistle. If you're in a tough spot or trying to let others know of your location, you can signal people or your favorite pet to your whereabouts. And then there's a ferro rod. This is the material that actually creates the spark for fires. The Signal has a softer material to make fire starting easier, especially in various conditions. To use the fire starter, you'll remove it from the handle, then we recommend striking the surface with the back of the saw at a 45-degree angle. Hopefully this covers everything you would want to know about the Signal multi-tool. While we've only shown one color today, we've got quite a few options to choose from on our website. So leave a comment below and let us know what color you would choose and how you've used your Signal in the outdoors.